more we're on the site, the more we get done. It's definitely easier to charge a battery than it is to run to the nearest gas station to get gas. Pretty much endless benefits to it.
Very easy to use. It's well balanced. It hits just as hard, if not harder, than the gas counterpart. You don't have the exhaust. You have little to no maintenance other than just charging the battery. It did a great job compacting.
It's light, handles, turns nice. I mean, you don't have to take your hands off it at all. Everything's controlled by your thumbs.
If I want a little bit more compaction, or if it starts getting away from me a little bit, I can just hit the turtle and slow it down to get better compaction and more control.
Some of them fumes that come off of them gas ones, especially if you would be in a trench, it is nice that you don't got to breathe all that in.
The battery life lasted really well. I ran it for about a half an hour and it still had another bar on.
Super light, super easy to use.
They're pretty much doing the work itself.